Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Everspace to not launching. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to game mode settings, turn on this option, go to captures, turn off those two options, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and then after that go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and then just close this window. And that's it. Make sure you have all the updates that you can find and restart your PC. After starting your PC, your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.